Dreaming, I must be dreaming, or am I really lying here with you?
I don't know how to start this message, but I know that you are the best gift of God. Noon, I pray to Him na kung bibigyan niya ako ng partner, sana yung malapit sa Kanya. At ikaw yung binigay niya sa akin.
You are my soulmate. You are my best friend. One true love, I bow in front of this, our friends, family, and under God, that I will be faithful and loving husband to you for all time.
Humingi din ako ng sign. Sabi ko, kung sino man yung unang lalaking magpapaalam sa parents ko na manligaw, siya na yung dawan. Kaya nung narinig ko na nagpapaalam ka sa kanila, doon ko napatunayan na seryoso ka and I saw respect sa ginawa mo. At nasabi ko sa sarili ko na ikaw na talaga.
Magic, it must be magic. The way I hold you when the night just seems to fly. So easy for you to take me to a star.
Hello, Happy. Excited ka na ba? Yung gift ko, sana magustuhan mo. It's a simple gift. Sana magamit mo.
This watch symbolizes my commitment of unconditional and everlasting love for Roslyn. It shows that my love is not a temporary form, but a long and lasting form, or a love that never ends. Aww.
From this point forward, to join with you and to share all that is come, to give and to receive, to speak and to listen, to inspire and to respond. This will be a commitment made in love, kept in faith, and eternally made new.
You are my best friend, sometimes my enemy, and cheerleader. Ikaw yung palaging nagpapalakas ng loob ko sa tuwing nanghihina at mababa ang tingin ko sa sarili ko. Ikaw yung nagsisilbing clown sa tuwing malungkot ako at laging andyan sa tuwing magkakasakit ako.
Our life verse as a couple, Corinthians 13:48. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast. It is not proud, it does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no records of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truths. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails.
Look into your eyes, oh, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time. And there I go by. I just fall in love again, and when I do, can't help myself. I fall in love with you.
Giancarlo Castillo, habi ko. Super blessed ako na ikaw yung partner na binigay sa akin ni Lord. Napakabait, napaka-understanding, at napakahaba ng pasensya. Thankful ako sa iyo kasi sa mga panahong sumusuko na ako, andyan ka pa rin, nagpapakatatag at hindi ako iniwan. I promise to you na I always love you, I care for you, and be a good wife to you.
Ling, nais ko lang sabihin sa iyo, mahal na mahal kita. Simula pa nung una hanggang sa huli.
I also promise to you na I will be strong all the time for our family to build. Listening and following each other will make us strong as a partner, and God will be the center of our relationship. Giancarlo Castillo, habi ko, mahal na mahal.
Into your eyes, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time. And there I come by. I just fall in love again, and when I do, can't help myself. I fall